Jeffco judge is upholding the health department's orders limiting crowd sizes after more than 7,000 people packed into Bandimere Speedway on the 4th of July.
Now, the good news for Speedway fans, all the injunctions and restraining orders have been lifted. Denver 7's Sean Toll was in the courtroom as the judge urged Bandimere and the county health department to work together on the road forward.
Wow. John Bandimere Jr. and his family were hopeful walking to the courthouse Tuesday morning.
Whatever happens in there this morning, we will remain grateful for that.
Amen. Dozens of supporters sat outside the courthouse, nervously listening to the proceedings, but they got their answer. Because of a public health order issued less than 24 hours ago, the judge decided the county's request for an injunction was no longer necessary. That new order requires outdoor venues like Bandimere to submit a written plan before holding any event with more than 175 people.
The Bandimere family is very grateful that this case is dismissed, that there are no restraining orders or injunctions.
The push for an injunction was the result of that July 4 event where the Speedway had an estimated 7,500 people in attendance. That violated the public health order at the time. Bandimere's attorney argued that crowd limits would put them out of business. Jeffco Public Health Executive Director said in a statement Tuesday, "Our intent is to help organizations operate safely and in accordance with county and state requirements, so that we can continue to progress in our recovery from this virus." The judge said in court that Bandimere is expected to follow state and local orders going forward and to open a constructive dialogue with the county. When asked if Bandimere would follow the rules,
they've been doing their best efforts to try and comply in 100 different ways, and we have a lot to talk about what's next.
Rules that get put on us are tough. Have to have some conversation about that.
But the supporters
will be at Bandimere anytime I can be.
One of Bandimere's biggest events, the Mile High Nationals in August, has been postponed by the National Hot Rod Association over COVID concerns. Now it's up to the Speedway and county to work together or find themselves back in court. Sean Toll, Denver 7.